Drinking coffee is good for your skin, but it is even better for it if you use it externally. These days you can find many skin products containing coffee. Check out the list of ingredients on tubes and packaging before buying such items. You can use it to get rid of puffiness around your eyes. It also boosts the production of antioxidants and protects your skin from the harmful UVB rays, which can produce melanoma. One useful life hack is to keep a supply of coffee ice cubes which you can use to gently rub over any swollen areas on your face. Apart from these benefits, it boosts skin cell regeneration, and increases your collagen levels. Collagen helps your skin keep its youthful appearance because its elasticity is retained. If these facts haven't yet convinced you of coffee's health benefits, then consider these too. Coffee can help your blood circulate, and if you drink it regularly, you will know that it gives you a boost of energy. You can make your own facial scrub with this magical liquid and use it as an exfoliator which will make your skin glow with health. Make the scrub by combining coffee, olive oil and brown sugar. Use it to gently remove dead skin cells. It is also very good for your hair and scalp. After all, your scalp is skin which also needs nourishment. All you have to do is take ground coffee, about half a cup, and massage your wet scalp with it. When you have left it for approximately 2 minutes, you can wash your hair and scalp with your preferred shampoo and conditioner. You are sure to be pleased with the results. A homemade body scrub can help rid your skin of cellulite and, amazingly, it can also help get rid of dimply cellulite. Make your scrub by adding a dessert spoonful of olive oil and a teaspoonful of sugar to some fresh coffee grounds and mix well. Using circular movements, massage the mixture into the areas where you have cellulite. Make your own face pack by mixing coffee grounds with a little milk. You need the consistency of this mixture to be thick. Leave your face pack on for around 15 minutes and then wash it off with tepid water. After this beauty treatment you will have glowing, healthy skin. Try these suggestions and find out exactly the benefits you can reap from using the ground beans and the ubiquitous brown liquid. Thanks for watching. Please check out previous videos, I know you'll love it too. Click the free subscribe button before that getting paid and hit the bell icon for upcoming fantastic cooking tips and facts. Bye.